If you've lost access to your Vrbo account and can't use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Vrbo login page. Go to the Vrbo website and click on the login option. This will direct you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your account information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or phone number associated with the account. Fill in the required details to proceed. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, look for options such as recovery via phone number or security questions. Select the method that works best for you and follow the prompts. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Once you select your recovery method, follow the instructions provided by Vrbo to reset your password or regain access to your account. Make sure to create a new password that is secure and memorable. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for further assistance.